Let's cut through the noise and address the question that's probably on your mind right now. Can you really make $500 a day online? It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? A lot of people are skeptical, and rightfully so. The internet is full of promises, but very few deliver. And what if you're starting with $0? Is it even possible to build something from nothing in today's digital world? Forget the gurus and their flashy lifestyles. Those Lamborghinis and mansions are often just smoke and mirrors. They sell you the dream, but rarely give you the practical steps to achieve it. And you definitely don't need their overpriced courses or a big budget to get started. In fact, we're going to show you how to do it without spending a dime. Earning $500 a day is possible. It's an achievable goal with the right strategy and dedication. But let's be clear, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. There's no magic button or secret formula that will instantly make you wealthy. It's about using free tools and platforms that are readily available to everyone. The internet has democratized opportunity, and there are countless resources at your fingertips. And most importantly, it's about putting in real work, consistent effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The only investment you truly need is your time, your effort, and your unwavering willingness to learn new skills and strategies. The online world is constantly evolving, so a growth mindset is essential. Social media platforms, various freelance sites, and countless affiliate programs are all completely free to join and offer incredible opportunities to generate income. You don't need money to make money online anymore. That's the beauty of it. All you need are valuable skills and a creative approach to solving problems and providing value to others. Even if you're starting from scratch, with no prior experience or technical knowledge, you can learn everything you need for free through online tutorials, courses, and communities. We'll break down the entire process step by step, showing you exactly how to go from absolutely zero to earning your very first dollar online. And then, more importantly, how to scale up those earnings and build a sustainable online income. This is a guide specifically designed for absolute beginners, so no prior experience or upfront cash is required. We'll walk you through everything. Are you ready to stop just dreaming about financial freedom and actually start doing the work to achieve it? Then let's get started right now and begin your journey to online success. Before any strategy, your mindset is your most important asset. Treat this like building a real business, not chasing a quick buck. Success comes from discipline, showing up and doing the work even when you don't feel like it. Consistency is key. Small actions every day add up to big results. The online world changes fast, so commit to continuous learning. Watch tutorials, read articles, and always look for ways to improve. Embrace failure as part of the process. Every mistake is a lesson. Your first proposal might get ignored, your first product might not sell. That's normal. Analyze, adjust, and try again. The only way to fail is to quit. Every successful entrepreneur has failed. What matters is persistence. Build your mindset and you'll outlast the competition. Now let's get practical. The digital landscape has opened up unprecedented opportunities, and freelancing stands out as the fastest and most accessible way to start earning online. It's a gold rush of sorts, where your skills are the currency. The beauty of it all? You can begin with virtually zero investment. Forget about hefty startup costs or securing loans. You're essentially selling a skill, your expertise, your talent, your ability to deliver value. That could be writing compelling articles, crafting engaging website copy, or even proofreading important documents. Or perhaps design, creating stunning visuals for brands or eye-catching graphics for social media. Maybe your strength lies in organization, helping businesses streamline their processes and manage their data effectively. Or you're a social media whiz, adept at building communities and driving engagement. Whatever your skill set, you can leverage it to earn directly for cash. It's about turning your abilities into income. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have revolutionized the freelancing landscape, providing a bridge between freelancers and clients worldwide. They let you create a free profile, showcasing your skills and experience to a vast pool of potential clients, and the best part, you can start offering services today. No waiting, no complicated procedures, just immediate access to earning opportunities, no website or business license needed. The platforms handle the infrastructure, allowing you to focus solely on delivering quality work. All you need is just a clear, professional profile that highlights your strengths and demonstrates your commitment to excellence. Pick a skill you have, something you're genuinely good at and enjoy doing. Or if you're feeling ambitious, choose a skill you can learn quickly for free through online tutorials and resources. The internet is your classroom. Then offer services like proofreading, ensuring that written content is error-free and polished. social media management, helping businesses build their online presence and connect with their target audience. Or graphic design using free tools like Canva or GIMP, creating visually appealing content without breaking the bank. Niche down. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Instead, specialize in something specific, becoming an expert in a particular area. This will help you to stand out from the crowd and attract clients who are looking for your unique expertise. For example, instead of offering general graphic design services, design YouTube thumbnails specifically for gaming channels, catering to a very specific need within a large market. Or instead of offering general writing services, write email newsletters specifically for e-commerce brands, helping them drive sales and build customer loyalty. Being specific helps you charge more for your services, as clients are willing to pay a premium for specialized expertise, and it will also help you land jobs faster, as clients will see you as the perfect fit for their specific needs. Don't worry about being too narrow. It's a common concern, but it's rarely the case. Remember, it's better to be a big fish in a small pond than a small fish in a vast ocean. Next, let's talk about landing your first client and building momentum in your freelancing journey. Here's how to get started and turn your freelancing dreams into a reality. Getting clients is all about building trust and reputation. Focus on landing your first few jobs, even at a lower rate, to get reviews. Search for entry-level jobs in your niche on Upwork or Fiverr. Write personalized proposals, never copy-paste. Address the client by name, reference their project, and show you understand their needs. Introduce yourself, highlight relevant skills, and outline your process. End with a clear call to action, like suggesting a quick chat. If you don't have a portfolio, create sample work using free tools and share it via Google Drive. Be persistent, send lots of proposals and refine your approach. When you land a job, over-deliver and communicate clearly. Great reviews lead to more work and higher pay. This is how you build momentum. Now let's explore another income stream: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn passive income by recommending products or services. You promote a product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No need to create products or handle customer service, you're just the connector. Commissions can be small or huge, depending on what you promote. The key is trust. People buy from sources they trust, not random links. Build trust by creating valuable content. Blogs, YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook groups. Pick a niche you care about and help people solve problems in that space. Share honest reviews and recommendations, not just sales pitches. Authenticity is what makes affiliate marketers successful. Let's see how to start for free. Start affiliate marketing with $0 by using free content platforms. Choose one platform, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or a free blog, and go all in. Pick a niche and join free affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or direct brand programs. Create helpful content for your audience, reviews, tutorials, or top product lists. Use your phone to film videos, no fancy equipment needed. Add your affiliate links in video descriptions or bios with clear disclosures. Commit to a regular posting schedule to build an audience. Growth is slow at first, but consistency pays off. As your audience grows, so do your clicks and commissions. The formula: pick a niche, find products, create valuable content, and repeat. No money needed, just effort and creativity. This is your path to passive income. Now let's talk about digital products. Creating and selling digital products is a high-profit strategy. Digital products, ebooks, planners, templates, courses, can be sold infinitely with no inventory. Think about a skill or solution you have that others want. Package your knowledge into a simple, valuable product. Use free tools like Google Docs or Canva to create it. You don't need to be an expert, just know more than your target customer. Sell on free platforms like Gumroad or Payhip, which only take a small cut per sale. Promote your product through your social media or content channels. Start small with a simple product, then expand as you learn. Digital products and affiliate marketing can work together for even more income. Here's how to launch your first product for free. Want to share your expertise with the world and make some money while you're at it? Creating and selling digital products is a fantastic way to do just that. And the best part? You can get started without spending a dime. That's right, we're talking about launching your first digital product with zero budget. It's all about being resourceful and leveraging the free tools available to you. The first step is to brainstorm a product idea. Think about your skills, your passions, and the problems you're good at solving. Your digital product should be based on a problem you've already solved, either for yourself or for others. This ensures that you have the knowledge and experience to create something truly valuable. For example, let's say you've mastered the art of content creation on YouTube. A great product idea could be a 30-day content planner specifically designed for new YouTubers. This planner could guide them through the process of generating ideas, scheduling posts, and tracking their progress. Now let's talk about creating your product. You don't need fancy software or expensive design tools. You can easily use Google Docs, a completely free and versatile platform. Alternatively, you can use Canva to design your product. Canva offers a wide range of design features and templates, making it easy to create visually appealing and professional-looking digital products. To save time and effort, take advantage of the free templates available on Canva. These templates provide a solid foundation for your design and can be easily customized to fit your specific needs. Remember, the key is to focus on making your product genuinely useful and valuable to your target audience. Don't get bogged down in trying to make it perfect. Aim for functionality and practicality over flawless design. Once you're satisfied with your product, export it as a PDF file. This ensures that it can be easily accessed and used by your customers regardless of their operating system or software. Now it's time to set up your online storefront. A great option for selling digital products for free is Gumroad. Gumroad offers a user-friendly platform for creating a storefront, uploading your products, and processing payments. Another excellent alternative is Payhip. Payhip provides similar features to Gumroad, allowing you to easily create and manage your online store without any upfront costs. Once you've chosen your platform, upload your product, and carefully consider your pricing strategy. Think about the value you're providing and what your target audience is willing to pay. Now, it's time to write a compelling product description. Instead of focusing on features, highlight the benefits that your product offers. Clearly explain how your product will help your customers solve their problems, achieve their goals, or improve their lives. Make it clear what they will gain by purchasing your product. Finally, it's time to promote your product. And guess what? You can do it for free. Share valuable tips and insights from your product on platforms like TikTok, Reddit, or in relevant online communities and forums. This will help you attract potential customers and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Make sure to include a link to your online store in your social media bios. This makes it easy for people to find and purchase your product. You can also include a link to your store at the end of helpful posts or comments you make in online communities. This is a great way to drive traffic to your product page and generate sales. The key to success is to give away lots of valuable content for free. This builds trust and credibility with your audience, making them more likely to purchase your product. Position your paid product as the most convenient and comprehensive solution to their problem. They get immense value for free, and then an even better, easier-to-use solution if they pay. By following these steps, you can turn your knowledge and expertise into a source of income, all without spending a single penny. So are you ready to take the first step and start creating and selling your own digital products? The possibilities are endless. You now have the blueprint mindset, freelancing, affiliate marketing, and digital products. The only thing left is action. Don't just watch, do. Pick one strategy that excites you and take the first step today. Create a freelance profile, start a YouTube channel, or write down product ideas. One small action builds momentum and leads to bigger results. Financial freedom is a process, not a one-time event. It's built on daily, disciplined choices. The journey to $500 a day starts with your first dollar. You have the tools and the map. Will you take the first step? The opportunity is right in front of you. Start now.